Good, everybody. It's your boy Kama. I'm back with another video. I mean, I just want to get into this my recap, so to speak, after processing everything that we witnessed week one. Now, one, I'm gonna say, starting with my Cowboys. I mean, I see one thing I don't like. I think people we overreact too much to. We overreact to every little thing. It's one game. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's one game. You take the good and the bad with the one game also. But you realize on the average year, not just this season, in the average season, when teams have the normal off season and the normal OTAs and everything. Like when everything is normal, we always seem to still have. I want to say it's always sloppy football the first maybe week or so, week or two, because everybody. It's a difference between practice and football training. But so I'm me. I kind of expected sloppy play. Like I said before the season, in previous videos, I believe it's gonna take our defense a minute to get rolling, whatever the case may be. Because it's a new scheme. You asking people to do things they never done before. You asking some girls to stand up and rush. You asking the Marcus Lawrence to do that same thing also. Like it's not always gonna be in the perfect world. You're allowed to see, oh, we just flat out dominated the Rams and all that, but it don't work like that. And like I took away good things, bad things, but I think in the grand scheme of the NFC, I think we fine. Every year it's turnover in terms of the teams that made the playoffs in the year previously versus the teams this year. Now, I mean, just look at it. San Fran is dealing with a lot of injuries. They're currently 0-1. They're currently 0-1 as well. Um, the Vikings basically lost everybody on their defense. Look what happened to them. Like those two teams just off top who made the playoffs last year that didn't come in looking as sharp as they did. The Eagles made the playoffs. You don't like you can take away from that game and say they looked at their sharpest neither. Like that's three playoff teams right there just in our conference. Just like I mean, is it cause the pros? You always want your team to be better, but I say I need to see more before I reserve judgment. I like the way Dak looked. I like the way, for the most part, I like the way he spread around the ball, Zeke getting his touches or whatever. I know a lot of people were saying the offense looked vanilla and everything like that, but my pushback on that is this: all analysts and so-called experts all offseason was telling you don't need 3,000-yard receivers. What you need is y'all just need to keep it simple, hand the ball to Zeke and that. So when we come out and we play simple fundamental football, handing the ball to Zeke, play action, spreading the ball around accordingly, everybody get catches. You still get criticized for it because we won. Had they not called, had they not called that offensive pass interference, we're probably having a different discussion. Oh, the Cowboys look okay. You know how it goes. So in terms of that, I'm not really too worried, man. We still got time. New scheme, new coach. getting stuff together. The whole division is 0-1 except for one team. And it's a team that's 1-0, nobody expects to do nothing. So it's no cause for pause. Well, I'd rather be playing my best football in December than in September. Because if there's one thing last year taught us, starting off 3-0 don't mean nothing. If we being honest. Because we wound up 8-8, not in the playoffs. So it's not I don't know if everybody know the history of the Cowboys. Whenever we had a good season, we always start the season 0-1. Down to that 13-3 season, that rookie season. We lost to the Giants in week one. It's not always bad. We got time to prepare. So like, just wait and see, man. As it stands right now, we're in a good situation. Um, the Saints want to know. The Saints want to know, but they just probably lost Michael Thomas a week, so you don't know what that's going situation gonna look like. I mean, it's up for the grabs, man. We just gotta be patient and get better week by week. May the best man win. I mean, always remember to like and subscribe. It's your boy Kama. Salute.